What a nice view. Hey Shirley, I heard there is going to be solar eclipse soon, so tell me some story, as you are always interested in these things.
Why not? Recently I have read something interesting.
So what are you waiting for? Tell me. Okay, so listen.
Once upon a time, in a world where the past and future collided in a dance of uncertainty, there existed a phenomenon known as eclipsed futures, a time rift that cast a shadow over the destiny of all who dwelled within its grasp. At the heart of this enigmatic occurrence stood a small town named Havenbrook, nestled amidst rolling hills and verdant forests. Here, amidst the quaint streets and cozy cottages, the residents of Havenbrook lived their lives under the shadow of the eclipsed futures, where the past and future intertwined in a delicate balance. Among the inhabitants of Havenbrook was a young woman named Alara, whose life had been touched by the mysteries of the eclipsed futures since birth. Born during a solar eclipse that had shrouded the town in darkness, Alara possessed a connection to the rift that few could understand. As Alara grew older, she became increasingly fascinated by the secrets of the eclipsed futures, spending her days poring over ancient tomes and studying the movements of the stars. She believed that hidden within the shadows of the rift lay the key to unlocking the mysteries of time itself, and she was determined to uncover its secrets. One fateful night, as the town of Havenbrook prepared to witness another solar eclipse, Alara felt a strange stirring in the air, a sense of anticipation that seemed to pulse with the rhythm of the cosmos. Sensing that the time had come to confront the eclipsed futures once and for all, she set out into the night, guided by the light of the eclipsed sun. As Alara ventured deeper into the heart of the rift, she encountered visions of both past and future, scenes from her own life and the lives of those around her, woven together in a tapestry of possibility. She witnessed moments of joy and sorrow, triumph and defeat, each one casting a different light on the path that lay ahead. But amidst the chaos of the eclipsed futures, Alara discovered a glimmer of hope, a chance to reshape the destiny of Havenbrook and all who dwelled within its borders. With a newfound sense of purpose, she resolved to use her knowledge of the rift to guide her town towards a brighter future, free from the shadows of uncertainty that had plagued them for so long. And so, as the solar eclipse reached its peak and the rift began to fade into the light of day, Alara emerged from the shadows, a beacon of hope for the people of Havenbrook. With her guidance and wisdom, they stepped boldly into the future, knowing that whatever challenges lay ahead, they would face them together, united by the bond of their shared destiny.
What a story, Shirley.
Really, I thought you will find it boring.
Not really.
Well, then it's good. Now let me enjoy the view.